Can you see yourself in the 2014 Honda CR-V? With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, fog lamps, dual-zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.